Next question is from Mr. Slayer on YouTube, and it's in response to my colleague Amy Kanata's video on, is your knee pain coming from an ACL tear or is it coming from a meniscus injury? And the purpose of the video is to show you the two types of tests that doctors do to try to differentiate an ACL tear from a meniscus injury. And Mr. Slayer's question was a good one. So they're both negative. Now what? Well, as a practical matter, that means the problem is most likely a strain. If you can move the knee under forced rotation as well as translational conditions without causing new pain in the knee, then probably you're dealing with a strain and it's very likely to get better on its own. Like all physical examination information, it's not always accurate. It's often around, I think of it as like 75% accurate, whereas once you get an MRI, most of the time you're in the 90s. So it's not super specific, but it is definitely strong information, and I would encourage you to treat your knee as a strain. I've got a bunch of videos on knee pain in my knee pain playlist. Watch those on initial injuries of knee pain. Place yourself time and you'll figure out what to do.